It's just right for you.
I'm sorry, I look a mess. We are cooking chicken right now.
Cool. Yeah, now you do it. Mama.
I trust him.
Try it.
Try.
All right, let me try it. I'll say maybe a little extra Lori.
Okay.
Cause they ain't never seen me fall under pressure. They ain't never ever seen me fall, nah, never. Always keep on up on them cause I'm too clever. I will never ever sell my soul, nah, never.
Now, somebody told me that I should season my flour, but what's that about? What's that technique about?
No, you can do that too if you want to.
Okay.
Just say,
Okay, yeah, no, cause we ain't gotta do all that, cause well, is it gonna be messier?
What?
Oh yeah.
Okay, no, we ain't doing it that way then.
Nah, we trying to quick, easy.
You know what I'm saying?
Not that I did it. I mixed it up.
I told you heavy on the garlic, because the garlic, that's what kicks it off.
All right.
Supposed to tell you mix it with your hands up, not the bag. My bad. That's what.
So what? We gonna put the flour?
We are currently frying chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this is a part of my adulting journey. We're learning how to cook for ourselves.
Okay, Charles.
Let me just get you here. I'm
So,
not narrating, huh?
you got a big skillet?
I think we should do this one, but I don't think we're gonna be able to do 5. If we want it to be cooked well.
How much oil to put? Cause I don't want to be having to drain a lot of oil.
What? We got a lot of questions going on.
This one?
Oh yeah, that right there.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Shit.
Dang.
Oh.
20-year-olds
Okay.
kicking. 20-year-olds kicking.
Yes, sir.
No, but 20-year-olds cooking live.
Yeah, that's the most even hour we got.
I think make sure.
I don't know. It ain't worth it. It ain't worth it. Just a little bit. Yeah, alright now. Shoot. You don't know, is that.
A little bit more.
You, alright,
You
shoot.
want a little bit more oil?
A little bit more over. Hey, let me see.
Alright, this is where we at.
Okay.
Ooh, this is where we at.
What's next?
Bag right there in the sink.
Oh, those are bags I had mixed the chicken with.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Hey, no.
Oh, it's too late. We didn't start it.
It's okay. I guess
Hey, that bill.
we can start on the macaroni then, huh?
No.
Hey, that bill.
Yeah, do that last.
Yeah.
Hey, open the refrigerator.
I'm having PTSD.
My back. That just hurt my back.
There's a lot going on for real.
You can pour some flour in that bag with your wings in.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, now you're talking. Okay.
Do it over the sink. Cause they gonna,
It's gonna get messy.
yeah.
Basically.
Take.
Well, you
You don't got to put a lot.
got to put a whole bunch. Some in there. Yeah. You got then
Alright.
shake it up.
Shake, 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 shake it. Shake, 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 shake it. Shake, 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 shake it. Ooh, we at the restaurant.
Oh, you got to shake it
Woo!
He good. He killing it now.
Oh, we finna be at the restaurant.
Oh, dang, that's crazy. That whole was. Oh, no. I
I be forgetting who I be talking to.
Yeah, I be cursing. I don't know.
One of the wings down. Let me see what it looks like.
Like money.
It's a whole lot of money in this month. It's a whole
A lot of money in this motherfucker.
Ah, damn.
You missed a spot. Oh, that look decent though. We
Yeah,
gonna be
that
eating
one,
too
yeah.
good.
Wait, need some more flour? Do you need some more? Or it's good?
It look good to me. I think we should shake it some more, honestly.
Just shake it some more.
A little bit. Make sure it's evened out on that chicken. Every spot had a chance to get some flour.
So,
Yeah. Solution driven.
Be mad if this stuff nasty. Charles. What's up?
Hey,
Yes, sir.
alright. Go to the stove and see just put the drip and see
I told you! Y'all don't listen to me! This is an edit. And I just wanted to say, like, if you weren't paying attention or, like, if I didn't edit it well enough, but in the beginning, we were told to put the fire up pretty high for the oil. And I kept saying, let's not make it that high, but no one listened to me. And when Kendall put the water on the oil, like, it popped everywhere in the kitchen. Like, it was a very scary sight to see. As you can see, he got out the jam. But that's all. Enjoy the rest of the cooking video.
Turn them over now, right?
put it back on me. All the way on me.
What's up, man?
Oh, holy cow.
Oh, dang, you still recording?
Yes.
Oh, damn.
Oh, shit.
Oh, they saw. Oh, man. What's going on, man?
Oh, my goodness. But they don't listen to me. I knew that I was going to get hot. I know my stove. Yeah,
It's ready. I'm scared.
I would too. Yeah, I'm impatient.
Alright, okay. So now we can start putting the chicken in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see what, hey, what, I'm pretty sure you do it.
Oh,
Show me how to do it. Huh?
What not yet?
Eating ice cream?
Hey, nice.
yes.
Get the munchie up. Put that, ice cream on up. You can put this chicken in.
Oh, yeah, you. Yeah. Oh, there you go.
I gotta do it.
Yeah. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, got the Haagen-Dazs.
Well,
Come on, let's sample all that.
I gotta wash my hands.
I remember Tremaine used to always get Temper Bay and you'll get, yeah, all day. For real. Okay. He's scared.
I feel like I'm playing with my life, Lord. I guess that's the price to pay to eat chicken, huh? I'm taking my time. I ain't playing around with this fire. Sure. You dad, if you would have saw how that grease pop.
Oh, that's gonna be funny seeing me run.
You ran so fast. You was gone like a bullet.
I didn't know you was still recording. I would have never ran.
That's so funny. That's so fucking funny. Just throw it in the bag. All right.
Well,
Oh, you got it.
yeah,
Do
okay.
what you got it.
Okay, I see you.
Y'all so ahead. Y'all so ahead.
Yep.
Hey, nephew.
What's going on?
Man, it's 5 minutes.
I already know.
Stop the store.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you tried it before?
No, I ain't tried that one.
There you go.
Holy moly, donut shop. We in here frying chicken. Yeah! Alright, where's the bag? Because you got a lot of trash. You know, you got to clean your kitchen as you go.
Yeah, let me, it's lean.
That's what you're supposed to do.
For real?
Yes, sir.
When you cook your meals and you find out you've been eating bloody chicken.
I don't even want that shit no more, bro. That's how it's bleeding, too.
Can I clean it up? Heck, you know, my laptop finna die. So that's all the footage I can get for you guys today. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm gonna have to update you on the macaroni because you know I don't do well at macaroni or cooking it.
So, you gonna flip it over?
I'm gonna do macaroni and string beans. It seems like a very simple meal, and fried chicken. So I'll just update you on how that all tastes in the morning. Alright, cool. Well, I gotta get going. Kendall, what would you like to say?
Doses, man. Huh?
Dad, what do you want to tell my vlog?
Huh?
What do you want to tell my vlog?
Hey, support my baby. That's what you're supposed to do.
Support my baby. Support my baby.
Like you supposed to.
Okay. Chicken.
We live this life, but not for long. So I'm gonna be what I want, when I want, when I want. Yeah. I'm gonna do what I want, when I want, when I want. Yeah. I'm going hard till I'm gone, till I'm gone, till I'm gone. Yeah. Can you feel it? Can you feel it?
Hey everybody, we back. So Kendall, how would you rate the meal?
It was like an 8 out of 10.
I can take that.
8, yeah.
7.5.
Yeah. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't bad for the first time at all.
It was better than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah. It was edible. That's all. I think that.
You got a nice chicken wing. For our first time, an 8 out of 10.
8, yeah.
For our first time, yeah.
First time, yeah. You just imagine like the third.
Right here, right now. I usually bite into my chicken, okay? Relax. But I wanted to just show y'all how it's looking as you break it off. Hear that crunch? We're gonna get going, y'all. Thanks for watching.